Welcome back to the channel once again, and in today's video it's going to be something a little bit different than what my usual audience might be used to. Today I'm diving in to discuss how I have grown this YouTube channel from 0 to my first 1,000 subscribers. And typically, my normal content is all around the niche of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And you can grab a free copy of my book in the description below. It'll be the first link. So if you do want to grab that, make sure to grab that using the link in the description below. But really just putting this together to kind of track my own progress and to give people the insight into how you can grow and get to your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's really not overly difficult if you apply some core principles in what you're doing, and I'm going to discuss some of those core principles in this video. So the first thing to note here is that it took me 116 days to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, and in the course of those 116 days I published 105 videos. So almost one video every single day on the channel in order to get there. And I think that's the first core principle to really note here, is that consistency is key when you're doing YouTube and when you're publishing and uploading on YouTube. So if you're wanting to grow your channel, in my opinion, you should basically commit to doing at least 100 videos. And, even if you're someone who might find that overwhelming or think that that's too much, I wanted to get in the habit of producing content, making videos to kind of put in the reps in order to really just hone the craft of making video content. And I'm someone who doesn't have a huge amount of experience doing that, but having built up a repertoire of over 100 videos on the channel now, you get better every time you make a video. You get better at putting in the reps. You improve something ever so slightly every single time you make a new video and you hit that publish button. So for me, consistency is the number one thing, putting down on your notes there to understand and get a sense for what you need to be doing in terms of commitment for growing your YouTube channel. So I'm going to share my screen and just do a breakdown of, some of the analytics on my channel. As you can see, we're currently sitting at 1,069 subscribers. 410 of those have come in the last 28 days. And I think that's the second thing to note here, is that your efforts do begin to compound over time. So we'll look at the analytics here in a second, but you'll find that the first few videos you do in the first few weeks, you're probably not going to be getting a huge amount of traction. And that's okay, because the more that you build up the videos on your channel, and especially if you do some keyword research around the videos and the topics that you are publishing, then you will build up that bank of content, which does bring in organic, consistent views over time. And oftentimes the keyword research style videos will act as evergreen content on the channel to consistently bring in those views over the weeks, months, and years. So 1,069 subscribers, 410 of which have come in the past 28 days alone. And again, remembering the fact that it's taken 116 days in total to get to this number of subscribers. So if we jump over to the analytics, again, this is showing our analytics for the past 28 days. We can see that we've got about 23.3 thousand views in the past 28 days, 410 subscribers, and 1,400 watch time hours. If we break that out to the last 365 days, again, you can see that I did not publish the first video here until I think it was January 20th of this year. So I started the YouTube channel. Obviously, I had the account, for years because I was consuming and watching content, but I didn't publish the first video until I think the 17th of January of 2024. So all of the growth and subscribers on the channel have come since that date. And you can see that the chart here, it's pretty up and down, but there will be certain videos that you publish that strike a chord with your audience, and you will see certain peaks and troughs here, especially the one that I published here at the end of April, and then another one I published here on the 11th of May got some good traction on the channel. So if we break this down to the past 90 days, you can see that the viewership has been pretty consistent over that period, having about, anywhere between 500 to kind of 1100 views every single day on the channel. So it's been growing consistently. A little bit of a dip here, but then a spike upwards. You're going to have certain outlier days where you get large amounts of views when a video that you publish really resonates with your audience. But overall, you will see that the consistency and the compounding effect of the videos on the channel means that you will start to see an upwards trend here with the amount of views and subscribers that you are getting. So I mentioned keyword research a moment ago as well, and keyword research has been one of the ways in which I've grown the channel basically, and you can use tools like vidIQ and I can't remember the name of the other one. I've been using vidIQ, but basically you can use these keyword research tools to conduct research on your niche and your videos that you want to create in order to find the specific topics and keywords that people are already searching for within your niche. And this has been a pretty important factor in me growing the channel. Not every video I publish is based on keyword research, but I would say 60 to 70% of the videos are. And for example, I'm looking at injective protocol here as a keyword, which is a cryptocurrency protocol in my niche. And you can see here that, for example, the questions people are asking around that particular keyword, people are searching how to buy injective protocol in the US. And this particular search term gets about 2,000 searches every single month on YouTube. And it has an overall difficulty of 63. So again, that means that there is not too much competition for that particular keyword, and it would be worth me creating a video based on this specific keyword. So this is not one that I have done already, but if we look up Solana MetaMask, I did publish a video on this particular keyword, how to add Solana network to MetaMask. And you can see that it gets a large amount of search volume in the keyword research, and it has an overall difficulty of 72. And if we come back over to my channel, you'll actually see that this video, how to add Solana network to MetaMask, is the video that actually has performed the best in terms of overall views on the channel since it was published. So I took the approach to research what people were searching for in relation to the Solana network and the MetaMask wallet, and this was the keyword that was the most popular, and I created a video specifically showing people how to do that. And again, it has gotten the best performance in terms of all the videos on the channel so far. So I think keyword research is a very important factor. You can use it for your niche. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. You can use vidIQ to come over and search for topics and keywords related to your niche, and then sort them by search volume and overall difficulty to figure out which topics and keywords you should be creating videos on your channel about. So keyword research, very powerful. And then taking advantage of news cycles depending on your industry or niche. For crypto and Bitcoin, it's a very news-centric type of industry. There's different cycles within the markets, and you typically have lots of different news going on. Depending on your niche, you might have more or less news-related items to be publishing videos about, but if you can capture a video that takes advantage of a news cycle or different trends throughout the year, perhaps your niche is more cyclical. If you're making videos about, barbecue for summertime or skiing in the winter, you might have certain periods or times of the year where it makes more sense to publish certain types of videos. So thinking about those different cycles related to your niche and the cyclical nature of things that people might be searching for. So I just wanted to make that video to kind of show the progress of the channel so far, but also to share some insights on how you can grow your YouTube channel and get your first 1,000 subscribers. It's not rocket science, but it does require work and consistency. And if you can add a little bit of strategic thought around keyword research and the different news trends and cycles of your niche, then you can definitely grow a significant following on YouTube in 2024. I think what we've done here is going from 0 to 1,000 has required a lot of content, but the content that I've produced has helped me to get better at putting in the reps and creating videos. And of course, I'm still not a polished expert, but the goal is to continue growing the channel, getting better at producing and creating videos every single day and putting in the reps to continuously improve on the overall process. So let us know in the comments below if you're growing your own YouTube channel, if you're continuing to get subscribers, if you're just starting out, what kind of videos are you publishing, what kind of traction are you getting, and what kind of insights can you share? Or if you've got any questions, please make sure to drop them in the comment section below. But YouTube is a very powerful channel in terms of being able to garner attention, drive people to your website or your link, and get traffic towards the offers that you might be looking to push related to your niche. So let us know in the comments below, how is your progress going? Let us know if you've got any questions specifically that I can answer, or if I can offer any further insights. I will answer your questions in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to make another video on a related topic. So if you want to know anything more specific, make sure to drop it in the comments. And as always, we will catch you in the next.